Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about creating a snapshot of our current configuration for our servers or for any virtual machine we have currently running up inside of our VirtualBox. So currently I have two servers up and running. I have my server 2016, the Forest root, which is DC1, and I have another machine that is running which will be configured as a replica for my Forest root. Now, to start this process of creating a snapshot, it's very easy. Just have your machines up and running, select the machine you want to create a snapshot for, and just go up here and click on Take. Give it a user-friendly name, say OK, and the snapshot is taken. It just takes just a couple of minutes. Now the purpose of this snapshot is so that you can roll your machine back to a different time before you configured it, in this case with DHCP failover. So if I don't want DHCP failover on the machine but I don't want to reinstall it, I'll just roll this machine back using the snapshot that I just created. And we can do the same thing here for our replica server. So I'll select it, I'll go up here, I will click Take, and I'll give this one a user-friendly name. I'll go ahead and say OK, and the snapshot is being taken. So even though I'm about to install Active Directory onto DC3, when I'm done with the configuration, if I no longer need Active Directory, I will just restore it to a previous state using the snapshot I created for no Active Directory installed. Now to restore your machine using a snapshot, the machine must be powered down. So let's go ahead and power down my DC3. So my DC3, my replica, is now powered off, and I would like to restore it back before there was Active Directory installed. All I have to do is just highlight it, go over here, highlight the snapshot that I want to roll back to, and then just click the restore button. And it lets me know that I can go ahead and create a snapshot of the current machine state. I'll just go ahead and select that, call this test, and I'll say OK. Now for the rollback to actually occur, I must now start the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and select my replica DC3 and go ahead and start it. And you'll notice that the restore instantly starts to take place. Now the nice thing about these snapshots is that I don't have to reinstall my servers after I get done configuring them for Active Directory, or I need to have a clean network. I can just use my snapshots to roll them back to a previous state before Active Directory or any role was installed. So each time that you configure your servers, before you start that configuration, go ahead and take a snapshot, give it a user-friendly name, and that way, when you're done with that role or Active Directory, you can then just roll back the machine to that point in time before you installed that role or service. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about taking a snapshot of our virtual machine's current configuration. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.